question involving integers. This is going to be B3. We're going to evaluate the expression for u equals 3. This isn't a Cornell note style, so try and do this with your page. So we see that u equals 3 and 3u, so I write this out. So the first thing I need to know is that I'm going to substitute for the variable. So what that means is that, I have u equals 3, I have 3u, so that equals 3 times 3, which is 3 times u, and my answer is going to be 9. Okay, for the second one, it says evaluate the expression for h equals 3, and I have negative 4, h, which is basically negative 4 times h. So when I write this out, I say h equals 3. So again, it was negative 4 times h, so the 3 goes where the h is, so negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. For the next problem, evaluate the expression for z equals 3. So I have negative 2z plus 6. I'm going to write this out. Let's see, we're going to use PEMDAS to solve. So z equals 3. And then I have negative 2 times z plus 6. I write that out, negative 2 times 3 plus 6. So negative 6 plus 6 equals 0. And that's my solution. And then the last one is evaluate the expression for f equals 3. And I have 19 times f plus 34. So the way that I'm reading is the way you want to think about it. So I have f plus 3, or f equals 3. And then 19 times f plus 34 equals 19 times 3 plus 34. 19 times 3 is 57. And then I add 34, I get 91. Okay, we're going to look at some more examples. So it says if f equals 0, what is the square root of 24f? So basically a square root is an exponential operation. And then from there, we're going to say f equals 0. So square root of 24f. So you're going to work inside the box. So it's going to be 24 times 0. Again, working inside the box. So underneath the square root, I have a 0. And then the square root of 0 is 0. So next question, evaluate the expression for j equals negative 48, k equals negative 60, and m equals 71. It's j plus k plus m. So we write that out. So I have j plus k plus m equals negative 48 minus 68 plus 71. So I have negative 48 plus minus 68 is negative 116. I add 71, so my answer is negative 45. Okay, we're going to evaluate the expression for t equals 1. I have negative 276 t squared. Remember, we're using PEMDAS, and so we're going to look at exponents first. So I have t equals 1. And then I'm going to set this up. So I have negative 276 times t squared equals negative 276 times 1 squared. So I'm going to square the 1 first. So now I have negative 276 times 1, and my answer is negative 276. Okay, so for this one, it says evaluate the expression for r equals negative 53 and the absolute value of x equals 33. So, I'm sorry, r equals 33. So basically what we were asking ourselves is, what is absolute value? Absolute value basically means that everything that you use or that comes out of the absolute value bar will become positive. So in this case, I have r equals negative 53. I'm replacing the r with a negative 53. So I get negative 53 plus 33. All of this is inside the absolute value bars. And so you get negative 20, and whatever comes out of the absolute value bars is positive. So the answer is 20. All right, see you in class.